This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Bonnie Mayo. Light and bright home. Living room with fireplace, dining room, and family room adjacent to the kitchen. Open porch off of the kitchen. Dedicated laundry room. The 2 bedrooms open to a covered, screened lanai overlooking the pond. This home also has a 1-car garage. Tile and laminate wood flooring. Upgraded therapy walk-in tub. Pass through the attended gatehouse and be on your way to living the royal way of life. Join over 30 clubs in the Grand Clubhouse. There is always something to do and someone to enjoy it with a King's Isle. At the Isle of Tuscany, enjoy gardening and barbecue in your own yard. Walk to shopping, recreation, and restaurants. The NY Mets practice in their winter stadium nearby. This 55-plus community is located close to I-95 and the shops at Saint Lucie West. Come southeast for more information, review the details below or contact Bonnie Mayo at 772-236-2446.